All right, so this new Be Happy box is all about love. It is filled with some pretty sweet designs from heart shapes and X's and O's, and it has a classic notebook. Oh, and some washi bundles. You know what? I'm already spilling the tea too much. Let's get into this new box. All right, you guys, check out this box. It is so cute. Not only is it cute on the outside, but it's also cute in the inside. Check this out. All of the heart eyes. And like I told you guys, this is designed and filled with all of the heart designs. And as you can see, this beautiful tissue paper is going to come with hearts and X and O's, and this beautiful sticker here that says living the sweet life. So let's go ahead and take out all the items and check out each item one by one. An easy way to keep your tissue paper intact is to just slide out your items from the side of the tissue paper, and voila, everything is still intact and you can reuse the tissue paper. All right, so do you love a brand new blank notebook? Well, inside this Be Happy box, it is included a classic notebook in the dot grid layout. I just love these happy notes because they are perfect for journaling, taking down notes, and you can actually use this notebook from this Be Happy box, and you're able to fill the pages up with like cute little love letters or memory keeping with pictures and just kind of writing down memories. That'll be great. And so you get 3 dividers, and this is the second divider here that says follow your heart, and then the last one says send love and flowers. I think it's so cute. I absolutely love these happy notes. And again, this is in a dot grid, and it is in like a pink or red dots, but it's really, really cute. And on each page, you're going to get this quote at the bottom that says, you got this. And then on the back of that paper, you're also going to get a little heart that says, jot it down. All right, so next up is the washi tape bundle. We are going to get 7 washi tapes to add special touches to that classic notebook that was included in the Be Happy box, as well as anniversary cards, love letters, and even projects using these washi tape bundles. I think they're so, so cute. So we get 7 of these washi tapes. All right, show some love to the transparent heart sticky notepad. I absolutely am loving this, you guys. This is so, so cute. You're able to leave cute little love notes like I love you, happy anniversary, or you can even give yourself reminders to stay on top of the more important things. So let me show you how it looks. So I use a Sharpie marker and I use a sticky notepad. And so I want you to see how it looks. So I just did like happy anniversary, love you, boo. And so as you can see, it is see-through on the back. You can flip it over, but you can definitely put this in your notebook or wherever, and it looks really, really cute. And I just love this. Easy to stick and easy to pick back up. You can also just leave like cute little love notes for your kids. I'm probably using that too for that reason, but I just want to show you how this looks with a sticky note. All right, so I also want to show you how it looks when I use a pencil. You can still use it, and I'm able to write with a pencil just in case you were wondering if you could use a pencil, but it works very well for me. And yeah, it's just a little lighter here, but of course, when you place it on a notebook, you'll be able to read it. I think it stands out, but I love using the Sharpie marker better with these because it really pops. All right, so next up is this sticker storage box. You're able to store all of your value pack sticker books in here with a lot of love. And I just love how it is pink and white, and it has like all the heart designs and X's and O's. But most importantly, y'all, it is red in the inside. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. How cute is this? That big red bold color really makes this sticker storage box pop, and it's easy to assemble. All right, and so with this sticker storage box, you also are going to get sticker labels on here. It's actually 2 sheets. It folds like this, and you get a white sticker labels to place onto your value pack sticker books and place them inside of your planner so it can look really, really cute. So you get that with this. And again, like I said, this sticker storage box is easy to assemble. It will come already folded like this. And all you will need to do is just kind of fold it over, unfold this. And so this little flap here that's sticking out, it actually has a double-sided adhesive backing on here. And so all we'll need to do is just kind of pull that up. Let me show you what it looks like. So it is actually matching the color of the inside of this, which is red. And so it has a double-sided adhesive backing on it, and you just need to pull that up. And I'm using my tweezers to pull it up. Just makes it easier to come off. And then once that's off, just unfold this, flip it over here, and make sure that the box is lined up like so. And then pull that flap up like this, pull it over, and just kind of give it some firm presses, both inside and outside of the box. But I recommend you kind of put something heavy on it and kind of lay it off to the flap side for about a few hours, just to make sure that it's all gonna kind of stick together, and you'll be good to go and be able to add in all of your sticker value packs in here. All right, so next up is this Let Love Bloom Value Pack Sticker Book. It is filled with so many sweet designs for our planner spreads, or even like anniversary cards or love notes, as well as just any other DIY crafts that you may have on your list. And I just think that is so cute. You get a mixture of matte stickers as well as transparent clear stickers, and most of these stickers have red foiling on there, which I think is really cute and bold. You get colorful boxes as well as quote stickers and checklist boxes. That'd be great. And also, if you're just planning a day date or even anniversary, I'm going to be using this for my anniversary spreads and all of my anniversary things that we have coming up. So I'm just going to make it into a nice anniversary memory keeping using these stickers and all of that. So I love these. Ooh, and then we get some alphabets foil stickers, which will be great so that we can use them in our planners, art, and our memory keeping. And then again, like I said, we get some colorful boxes that we can write in special little notes and sayings, or even like day dates or any other special events we want to keep a track of. We also get some washi strips in here, as well as some deco stickers. Really cute. I love this. This sticker book is a 30-page value pack sticker book again, and I just love it. It is so cute. I love all the sticker books, actually. I love when we get those red foilings on the stickers, because it really makes it pop in the spreads, as well, especially if you're layering them. And I just love these cute deco stickers. Really cute. So cute. Get your love potion, your little sending love envelopes. I just love that. So cute. So that was a flip through of the new Let Love Bloom Value Pack sticker book in this Be Happy box. So again, we are going to get in this Be Happy box a value pack sticker book. We're going to get a sticker storage box. So cute to store all of our value pack sticker books in there. We're going to get washi tape bundle so that we can decorate all of our love notes cards and our classic notebook as oh, and I can't forget the beautiful transparent sticky notepad. This is really cute. I love how you're able to share cute little love notes and all of those things to your planners. So again, if you love this Be Happy box, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Let me know how you're going to be using it, because I'm actually not going to be using it for like any Valentine's Day thing, because I don't celebrate it, but I am going to be using it for upcoming anniversaries for my family and friends, as well as myself, and documenting those and writing down some cute little memories. So thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.